Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be showing you the best driving test route at Service NSW Gregory Hills in New South Wales, Sydney. And right now I am at Service NSW in Gregory Hills, and this is in the shopping center, and you can park your vehicle here. This is the parking space for the driver tester. See, this is the shopping center. In this video I will be giving you useful tips and tricks to pass the test in one go, and I'm sure if you watch this video 10 times and practice on this route without any mistake, then you will be getting the driving license in one go. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So let's go on the driving test, and pull down the handbrake and put the car in the driving mode, and then check all the mirrors and give the right indicator. And this is the shopping center. Drive very slowly. The speed should be between 10 to 20 kilometer, and take out the vehicle and keep a watch on the pedestrian. Give the right indicator. And now right again. See, this is a shopping center, so we will take left here. Again left. And this is the give way sign, plus there is a pedestrian crossing, and we will be taking left. If there is any pedestrian, give way to the pedestrian. Check the traffic on both the sides, and you can slowly take out the vehicle on the main road. Now we will take right on the rodeo road. Again, dotted line means it's a give way sign. Check the traffic on both the side, and you have to give way to the traffic. When it is all clear, you can turn right. Go straight, and we will turn left on the set of light on the Campbell Valley Way. Give the left indicator. See, it is saying stop here on the red arrow. If there is a red arrow, then you have to stop. Now you have to give way. There is a traffic coming on the right side. Keep a watch on the traffic and just be patient. There is a give way sign, and as you can see, there is a dotted line also in front of you. So once it is all clear, then you can start driving. The speed limit is 80 here. If you are driving less than 60, and if there is a no traffic or anything, then you will fail in the driving test. Keep the speed between 70 to 75, something like that, and don't cross the 80 speed limit. So while driving, keep watching all your mirrors, and plus keep both your hands on the steering wheels. Don't drive with the one hand only. There is a red light, just slow down. Don't apply the sudden brakes. Sudden brakes are only required in case of emergency. On the left is a bus lane. Don't drive on that one. Keep going straight. Keep going straight. The bus lane is merging. Check your mirror on the left side. If there is any bus or any traffic, you have to give way. And keep going straight. I I'm driving at 73 kilometers now, which is quite a good speed. Keep driving straight. And as I am again saying, keep watching all your mirrors, and you should be looking as a responsible driver, because it is your duty to keep the safety of yourself, any passenger in your car, plus anybody on the road. So keep going straight. So now the speed has dropped to 60. So just slow down, and we will go straight on this set of light. So keep going straight. Note sudden braking. Just stop very gradually so that the instructor should not face like he is falling on the front. So we will go straight from this traffic light. So we will go straight. From this light also we will go straight. The speed limit is 60 because it's a shopping area, so even if you drive at 50, it will be very good speed. And from this traffic light we will keep going straight. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. On my YouTube channel, you will find many other driving test route video at different service NSW centers in New South Wales, and also you will find many other helpful driving useful tips and tricks videos like stop sign, give way sign, what are the rules, and how to change the lanes, and how to drive safely in the rainy day. So those videos will be very helpful to you. So keep going straight. The speed limit is 60, but you see this is a school zone coming, and if you are giving the test in the school zone, the speed between 8 AM to 9:30 AM or 2:30 PM to 4 PM, it should be 40 speed limit. So you can drive 35 to 40 speed, but if you are over 40, even if it is 41, you will fail in the driving test. So keep going straight, and we will take left on the Richardson Road. Sorry for my fumble. Give the left indicator and keep observing all your mirrors, and also keep a watch on the speedometer that you are not exceeding the speed limit. So we are turning left on the Richardson Road. Again, this is a school zone. Keep driving at 40 if you are giving the test in the school zone. This is a pedestrian crossing. Give way to the pedestrian and keep going slow at 40. The left lane is only for the parking. Don't drive on that lane. Keep driving at 40 in the school zone if you are giving test in the school zone timing, till you can see the board end school zone. As you can see, I am going straight on the roundabout. Give way to the traffic in the roundabout, and see, you can see now end school zone sign limit. So then you can drive at the over 40. So keep checking the school zone timing in your area, as school zone timing may differ. So now you can drive at 50. So we will do curbside parking here. So give the left indicator and we will do curbside parking here. Check all the mirrors. Slowly take your vehicle and don't hit the curb. So you can pull the handbrake and then put up the car in the parking mode. That's it. And once he say let's go now, so pull down the handbrake and give the right indicator. Check all the mirrors, your rear view mirror and right side mirror, and then over the shoulder on your right. Once it is all clear, then you can start driving. Even if you have to wait, just have patience. So now we will take left on the Howell Street. You have to be very careful. This is a narrow road, so you have to drive very carefully. Keep going straight. Keep going straight. And here we will do the reverse side parking behind this blue car. Check all your mirrors, give the left indicator, park parallel to this car, and put up the reverse gear. Keep checking all the mirrors and plus turn back and look at the back. Drive slowly, don't hit the curb. So when you are able to see the rear wheels of the car in front of you, then you can stop and put the car in the parking mode and pull up the handbrake and tell the instructor turn off the engine that you have done the reverse side parking. That's very well done. He will say let's go now, start your vehicle and pull down the handbrake and put the car in the drive mode, give the right indicator, check the rear view mirror, then right side door mirror, and then over the shoulder on your right side, and then you can start driving. And we will take left on the Queen Street. Check the traffic on both the sides. Once it is all clear, then you can turn left. And take right on the Leicester Street. So keep going straight. And take right on the Cambridge Place. So in this kind of quiet street, you may be asked to do the 3-point turn. So we will take 3-point turn here. So give the right indicator, take your vehicle to the left side, check all the mirrors and don't hit the curb. Stop, put up the car in the reverse mode and slowly take the car to the back, check all the mirrors. Don't hit the curb. And then again put up the car in the drive mode, put up the right indicator. So that is how you do the 3-point turn. So we will take left here on the Leicester Street. Give the left indicator, check the traffic on both the sides. And turn left here. So now we will take right on the Queen Street. Give the right indicator and turn right on the Queen Street. All the internal roads are having speed of 50 kilometer if unless stated otherwise. So we will turn right here. Keep going straight, don't cross the double lane. So keep going straight. This car is turning right and he is giving the way to me. And keep going straight. See, this signboard is saying it is a 40 area all the time, and it is because of high pedestrian activity. We will take right here, give way to the traffic on your right side, plus any traffic coming from front turning right. So see, there is another vehicle coming, I have to give way. Another coming. So even if it is there taking time, don't worry, just have patience. So keep driving 40. See, the speed limit is 40 all the time. There is a hump and pedestrian crossing. The speed should be between 20 to 25. Keep going straight. Keep going straight. Another learner driver doing the practice. Keep going straight. There is a hump. As I said, speed should be 20 and just slow down. The instructor should not feel any jerk. So we will take left here on Somerset Avenue. Keep going straight, and there is another hump. Speed should be 20. Keep going straight, and from the traffic light we will turn right on the Camden Valley Way. See, now you see on the left side saying end 40 area, so it means the 40 speed limit is over here. So but because it's a traffic light, you have to slow down, and when you are on the Camden Valley Way, naturally you can drive at a higher speed. I hope guys you are enjoying this video, and on my YouTube channel, if you are new, then please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and that will be very helpful to pass the driving test in one go. Yes, I am right, in one go. If you watch this video, practice on this route for 10 times, and don't do the mistakes, silly mistakes, and then you will definitely get the license in one go. There is no issue. So now we are turning right on Camden Valley Way, and we will go straight, so don't go on the other right side 2 lanes, because those are turning right. So keep going straight. One of my student, he did no mistake, but he still failed in the driving test. The reason being, he was driving with the one hand on the steering wheel, which is not a good thing. Like no instructor like that, and he was treated as a irresponsible driver. So sometime it is better that you drive with both the hands on the steering wheels. When you are changing the gear or anything, you can do that, but it should be both the hands should be on the steering wheel. Okay, so we are going straight. speed limit is 80 here, you can drive between 70 to 80. If you are too slow like 60 or less than 60, you will fail in the driving test. So my speed limit is now 73, which is perfect speed. So even if you have to like exceed the speed limit a little bit, like 75, 76, that will be also perfect. But don't go to like 81, 82, you will be called as failed in the driving test. So keep going straight from this set of light. So when you are booking the driving test, go for something during the mid of the day, like early morning or the late evening is normally very busy on the traffic on the road. So it will be better if you take mid of the day time for your driving test. And even if it start raining during the test, don't get nervous and just drive 10 kilometer less than the speed limit. So we will take right here on the Rodeo Road. Don't stop close to the other vehicle, and no instructor like tailgating. So that is also one of the biggest reason to fail in the driving test. Tailgating means you are driving too close to the other vehicle. And now we will take left on the Steer Road. So this is the left lane, must turn left, means this lane is turning left, so you can't go straight. So take left on the Steer Road. So now we will turn right on the shopping center. So give way to the any vehicle coming from the front, and now you can turn right. And this was a pedestrian crossing, you have to give way to the pedestrian. And now we will turn right here. Again there is a dotted line, mean you have to give way, and keep a watch on the pedestrian. So we are back after giving this driving test, guys. I hope you enjoy this video, and just park there, and good luck for your driving test, and thanks for watching this video.